If you're an e-commerce founder, you already know paid ads are getting more expensive and more unpredictable, which means retention isn't optional anymore. Most brands still email like 2019, broad blast, generic flows, and segmentation like open an email in the last 90 days. Today, I'm breaking down 2025 advanced Klaviyo segmentation system we use inside my email retention system, the same framework that helps brands cut acquisition costs, increase repeat customers, and generate predictable monthly revenue. What is Klaviyo segmentation? Klaviyo segmentation is the practice of dividing your email and SMS subscribe list into specific groups based on customer behaviors, purchase history, engagement levels, and other characteristics. This allows you to send highly targeted, personalized messages that drive better results than generic mass emails. Why these segments matter? These segments allow you to 1. Increase revenue by sending the right message to the right person at the right time. 2. Improve email deliverability by sending to engage audience, so you will protect your email reputation. Number 3, reducing unsubscribe by making content more relevant to the segment that you're sending to. Number 4, maximizing customer lifetime value through strategic nurturing. And number 5, optimize marketing spend by focus on high potential segments. The key is not just creating these segments, but actively using them in your campaigns and flows to deliver personalized experiences that drive conversion. Why segmentation works. The science behind it. Number 1, relevance equal revenue. When you segment properly, you're sending the right message to the right person at the right time. This means a higher purchase intent. People receive offers for product they actually want, which is very important. Reduce email fatigue. Subscribers don't get bombarded by irrelevant content to them, which is very important. Better customer experience. Personalization builds brand loyalty. Time optimization. Messages arrive when customers are most likely to buy. Recognize you as a trusted sender and place more of your emails in the inbox rather than the spam. Klaviyo. Number 2, deliverability protection. Sending to engage segments protects your sender reputation. When your emails constantly get opened and clicked, email providers like Gmail and Yahoo recognize you as a trusted sender and will place more of your emails in the inbox, which is the main folder, rather than the spam folder. The batch and blast, which is the vicious cycle, which is what you don't want to do, which is sending to everyone, which equal lower engagement, which equal poor sender reputation, which equal more emails to the spam folder, which equal lower engagement, which equal list decay, and which ultimately lead to no money. But what you want to do is segmentation, the virtuous cycle, sending to engage segments, which lead to high engagement, which lead to strong sender reputation, which lead to better inbox placement, which lead to even higher engagement, which lead to list growth, and which lead to what we all want, more money. 3, customer lifecycle optimization. Different customers need different messages. New subscribers need education about your brand. One-time buyers need encouragement to buy again. VIP need exclusive treatment. Lapsed customer need win-back campaigns. Treating all these groups the same is leaving money on the table. Think about how you deal or communicate with your family, friends, and co-worker. You have a different style of way of approaching them, a little bit different than the other due to the personality type, due to how long you knew them for, and things like that. So segmentation is a natural strategy that we use as humans in our daily life, whether you believe in it or not. So right now I'm gonna give you guys the exact Klaviyo segment definition that you could utilize in Klaviyo and create these segments. VIP and high value customer. This is the condition you put in Klaviyo. What someone has done or not done, placed an order at least once over all time, and predicted customer lifetime value greater than 500, just the amount based on your average order value. Or alternative could be placed an order at least 3 times over all time, which is essentially a high value customer or a VIP customer. Active customers. Condition, what someone has done, placed an order at least once in the last 90 days. Lapsed or at risk customers. Condition, what someone has done, placed an order at least once over all time, and what has someone has done, placed an order 0 times in the last 90 days. Engage non-purchaser. This is for the people who did not buy. Condition, what someone has done or not done, open an email at least once in the last 30 days. And what someone has done or not done, placed an order 0 times over all time. Alternative could be open an email at least once in the last 30 days or clicked an email at least once in the last 30 days and placed an order 0 times over all time. Cart abandoners in the last 30 days. Condition: what someone has done, start checkout at least once in the last 30 days, and what someone has done, placed an order 0 times in the last 30 days. Browse abandoners. So these are the people who are browsing but they abandon whatever they were doing. Condition: what someone has done, viewed a product at least once in the last 7 days, and what someone has done, started checkout 0 times in the last 7 days, and what someone has done, placed an order 0 times in the last 7 days. One-time buyers, people who only bought once. Condition: what someone has done, placed an order exactly 1 time over all the time. Repeat customers, people keep coming back. Condition: what someone has done, placed an order at least 2 times over all time. New subscribers. Cold. Condition: properties about someone they'd added in the last 30 days, and what someone has done, placed an order 0 times over all time. Product specific segments. Example: purchased category X. What someone has done, placed an order at least once over all the time, where item category, your category name. Example: purchase a specific product. Condition: what someone has done, placed an order at least once over all the time, where product name, you put your product name. Discount seekers versus full price buyers. Discount seekers versus full price buyers. Discount seekers. Condition: what someone has done, placed an order at least once over all time, where discount code is set. Full price buyers. What someone has done, placed an order at least once over all time, and what someone has done, placed an order where discount code is set 0 time over all time. Geographic segments. Example: US customers. Condition: properties about someone, country equals United States. Example: state specific. Condition: properties about someone, region equals California or any state. Unengaged subscribers. Condition: what someone has done, open an email 0 times in the last 90 days, and what someone has done, clicked an email 0 times in the last 90 days, and properties about someone they'd added at least in the 90 days ago. Bonus: churned customers. Condition: what someone has done, placed an order at least once over all time, and what someone has done, placed an order 0 times in the last 180 days. Bonus: high engagement email. Condition: what someone has done, open an email at least 5 times in the last 30 days, or what someone has done, clicked an email at least 2 times in the last 30 days. Another bonus: SMS subscribers only. Condition: properties about someone is subscribed to SMS equals true. Thanks for watching, and if you're ready to improve your email performance with smart segmentation, grab the segmentation system along with the lecture notes that shows you exactly how to use these segments in your campaign and flows so you can start seeing results immediately. You'll find them in the link down below.